Assalamualaikum and good evening. I bid to my supervisor, Dr. Shahril, and Zaidan, okay, on behalf of my group to present the video presentation for our project, which is elemental sulfur detector in large transformer. Okay, so right now we are moving to first circuit of our project. Okay, in this project we have two circuit, which is the constant current circuit and Arduino part. In this project we use 4-wire measurement because we want to measure a small changes of resistance. Okay, mainly for the project is to detect the presence of the sulfur itself, but due to the pandemic, as we know, I just use the resistance. Okay, so right now, as you see here, this is our constant current circuit. Okay, this circuit is to make sure that our current is fixed. Okay, because if as we know, battery is DC supply, so the current will be not constant. Every time we take the reading of voltage or resistance, the value is not fixed. So we must make sure that our current is fixed. So we use this circuit, and then you can see the input port will connect to the positive charge of the battery, and the output port will connect to the red wire from the multimeter, and the black wire will connect to the negative charge, as you can see here. Okay, the value are 0.07 and 0.08, but for me I take 0.07 ampere, which is 70 milliamp for our constant current circuit. We are going to see the value of our voltage drop. Okay, so as you can see here, we use 4-wire measurement, okay, to measure the voltage drop of this 1 ohm resistor. Okay, as you can see here, the positive charge of our constant current circuit, we will connect to this part, yeah, and then the output port will connect to this part. Okay, that is mean positive, negative. And for our Arduino, the 5 volt we will connect to this part, and the ground we will connect to this part. This is this part, yeah. Okay, so that is for our 4-wire measurement. Right now I will show you guys the value of our voltage drop. Okay, it is 0.7865 volt. Now we show you guys the value of our resistance based on one circuit, which is 1 ohm. Okay, so as we know, we use 4-wire measurement, and 1 ohm resistor, the reading error is below 1%, so I will get around 1.0 or 0.99. Okay, let's see the value of our resistance. Yep, right here, as you can see. Okay, 1.0086. Right now I changed our resistor from 1 ohm to 0.5 ohm. Okay, so right now this is our voltage drop that I get from 0.5 ohm resistor. Okay, okay, 0.03542. So right now I will show you guys the value of our resistance using 4-wire measurement. Okay, the resistance that we use is 0.5 ohm, and the result that we got is 0.57654, which is around 5% error. Okay, I think that is nice. That is satisfy our circuit. Okay, as a conclusion, our project is mainly to detect the presence of the sulfur. How? We use copper, because copper will react with sulfur to form copper sulfate. Okay, so the sulfur here, the problem is with sulfur, it is corrosive. So if we just let the sulfur do the job, our transformer will be broke down, and it will cost maybe $1 million Malaysia, we don't know. So for the person who invent the idea of this project, of this sensor, I think you're very genius people, because you have created a project that is simple yet convenient and affordable. Okay, last but not least, I want to thank our supervisor, Dr. Shahril, for guide us throughout this project until this last sem, and to all my fellow teammates, thank you for your cooperation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.